Hi guys, Jonathan here with LASAR to tell you about a special offer we're running all month for anyone who schedules an ADS-B avionics job with us. I'm sure you're aware that the FAA deadline for avionics upgrades is fast approaching, and LASAR is here to help get you covered before the calendar fills up and it's tough to get into a service center. If you call or email us anytime this month to schedule, we'll give you a brand new Garmin GPS pilot's watch loaded with all kinds of features that collect and track flight data right from your wrist, including aviation weather information, a global database of airports, GPS tracking and mapping, and a slew of other features beyond the pilot-specific ones. This watch offers a variety of timers, can track your heart rate, monitor your activity levels, can wirelessly control a Garmin action cam, and much more. With a classic look, high-end materials, and cutting-edge technology, this just might be the best watch a pilot could ever dream of owning. And we are giving them away for free for avionics work that the FAA is already requiring that you have done before 2020. If you have any specific questions regarding a GPS unit or pricing, give us a call and we'll connect you to one of our avionics specialists to answer all of your questions. And again, if you schedule this month, not only will you be flying with the latest GPS technology in your plane, but also on your wrist. For more information or to talk to someone on the LASAR team, click the link below and we'll get you taken care of.